So a highway has a 7% grade. That means every time you go 100 feet horizontally, you go 7 feet vertically. And so this is what the road looks like with the cars carrying all the people. Okay, that's my car. So it's going up. I think that's a pretty steep pitch for a road. We're supposed to find the slope of this section of highway. Slope is just the change in y over the change in x. The rise divided by the run. We rise 7 feet, divide by the run of 100 feet. That's it. That's the slope. And then on a highway with 7% grade, what is the horizontal distance required to climb 300 feet? So we want to know what happens when the y variable is 300. You can make a quick equation. Look, this is a diagonal line. Every line can be written as y equals mx plus b. And in this line, we have a slope of 7 out of 100. And then the y-intercept is 0, because we're saying we start at 0 feet. How long does it take to reach 300 feet? So to answer their question, you can plug in 300 in for y and solve for x. So multiply 100 over 7 to both sides. I have no idea. 100 times 300 divided by 7. So that's 4,285.7 feet roughly. That's how many feet you have to travel horizontally, around 4,000 feet horizontally to make a 300-foot climb, which makes sense, right? Because you don't want your cars, having to work really, really hard, because if there was a pitch that was 100% grade, you would be looking at a straight diagonal line, 45-degree angle, and I don't think a car is going to make it very far. Okay, and then C says 7% grade for the next 8 miles. Estimate how many feet of a vertical change there are along those 8 miles. So they want to know what y is, because y is our rise, right? That's the 7 feet we started with. When the run is a particular value. So they told us 8 miles. But remember, you can't plug in 8 in here because we made this model based on feet. They said it's 7-foot vertical change for every 100-foot horizontal change. So we got to take 8 miles and convert it to feet first. 8 times 5280. That's 42,240. Okay, you make that calculation and you've got your vertical change. If you travel 8 miles at this pitch, then you've got 2,956.8 feet that you've gone up.